Hi guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Today we are planting a bunch of onions. These are candy onions. I already have a little bit of Walla Wallas in the ground and some reds. That's the other little onions that you see beside here. We're planting these about 6 inches apart. And then the rows are also about 6 inches apart. I had amended this bed with some garden tone, some calcium, and some kelp meal. Now I will, after planting these, I'm going to water them every day until they're established really well with a sprinkler system for about 15 minutes. Onions like lots of water. Some of these I'm putting a little closer together. I need to watch that. We love onions here at Hedgehog's Homestead. And so we are going to do 3 beds of onions, plus a little extra. This is Kurt coming into view. He's the sweetest cat. I've had him for about 5 months now. He's a really good hunter, this cat, and it's nice to have him in and around the garden. He also likes lots of attention. And if he doesn't get it, watch out. Just bit me. He's never done that before, which was kind of really odd for him to do. He's never ever done that. He's probably thinking, thanks for the giant litter box. You loosened all the soil for me. Okay, now onto the garden bed next to me. This garden bed already has garlic in it, but when I planted the garlic, there was also some broccoli in this bed. And so I planted the garlic around the broccoli. And so now the broccoli is out. So now we're going to plant the onions around the broccoli. Gotta weed this back bed too, even though I didn't put any onions back here. There's a lot of tall grass and weeds. We've had a lot of rain recently. A few big storms went through. Now a lot of what I'm picking is called henpeck. That's that picture there. And our chickens love it. So I guess that's why they call it henpeck. They will sift through the weeds just to find it. You see it a lot on farms here in Tennessee. You'll look over at a field that hasn't been tilled or anything yet, and it's full of henpeck, and you get this beautiful hue of purple because they have those purple little flowers. Our onions in there, except for one. And now we're putting onions in here with the garlic while we weed. So that's what we're up to. And all the weeds will go to the chickens.
this whole bed planted with super sweets, and now we got to water that in. And then this bed is candy onions, and candy onions in here, also with the garlic there. And these are red Walla Wallas and candy onions in here. So we got a lot done today. I think that's all we're gonna do today. And gotta take it slow and steady. I am healing. I think I'm finally healing, but just gotta take it slow and steady. So I'm gonna water these in really good, and then I'll be done. I think I'm just gonna turn the sprinkler on in this area. That will water the broccoli or the garlic too, because that will need some water anyway. So we'll get that done. So there we go. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.